Welcome to Redline Review. Volvo's famed safety, sleek Scandinavian style, and modern eco-friendly technologies make the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a bold entry into the premium motorhome market. This motorhome combines elegance and convenience without compromising Volvo's principles for travelers who value style, sustainability, and smart functionality. Exterior design, aerodynamic sculpting, and a streamlined appearance distinguish the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. A special Volvo heavy-duty chassis or Volvo FMX platform is used for motorhomes. Key exterior features: Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlamps, smooth aluminum and composite panel construction, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, solar panels and satellite dome on roof, power awning and underfloor storage bays. Performance and elegance are combined with Volvo prestige, indoor comfort and style. Enter a Scandinavian minimalist paradise. Open space, clean lines, and natural light are prioritized. The living area features premium wool blend or vegan leather seating, real wood cabinetry, birch or ash finish, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows. Multicolor ambient lighting and a retractable 55-inch smart TV enhance the scene. The kitchen features a full-sized induction cooktop, convection oven, purified water tap, huge fridge freezer, and solid surface counters with integrated lighting. Bed, king-size memory foam, bed with underbed storage, touchscreen control panel, soundproof walls, and ambient ceiling light panels. Bathroom, spa-style wet bath with rain shower, stone-textured tiles, smart mirror, and heated flooring. Volvo's hypoallergenic, sustainably sourced materials represent its health and environmental focus. Tech and connectivity. Infotainment, Android-based control center for lighting, water levels, heating, and security, accessible via huge wall-mounted touchscreen or mobile app. The device features a 5G antenna, Starlink satellite internet, and wireless charging stations. Smart systems, voice-controlled blinds, AI-assisted energy optimization, and zone-based climate control. Powertrain and performance. Multiple powertrains are available for the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Mild hybrid diesel, D8K series, for long-haul efficiency. Fully electric Volvo e-Motorhome with 300-kilometer range and rapid charging. Intelligent terrain management and regenerative braking. Optional AWD for off-road and winter travel. Volvo's dynamic steering and adaptive air suspension make this motorhome feel like a luxury SUV. Safety features. The motorhome embodies Volvo's unmatched safety legacy. Pilot assist for semi-autonomous highway driving. 360-degree cameras and radar-based accident prevention. Emergency braking, pedestrian, cyclist detection, lane keep assist, fatigue warning system, living area fire suppression and gas leak sensors. On the road, no motorhome is safer. Pricing and availability. The luxury 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts from $280,000 USD and can cost $400,000 plus for special builds. Volvo offers custom interior design packages and limited manufacturing for exclusivity. Verdict Volvo Motorhomes 2026 is a modern luxury, sustainability, and safety masterpiece. It competes in the premium RV market for individuals who desire a luxury home on wheels with Volvo's peace of mind. This RV enhances long-term or weekend travel quietly, safely, and attractively.